Hardware versus software. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for hardware versus software, beginner level, introduction. Every computer system is made up of two main parts. Hardware means physical components. Software means programs and instructions. Both work together to make a computer function. Without hardware, X, software cannot run. Without software, X, hardware cannot perform tasks. Examples: keyboard, hardware, plus typing app, software; CPU, hardware, plus operating system, software; smartphone, hardware, plus apps, software. This topic helps beginners understand the difference and relationship between hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can see and touch. Examples: keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, RAM, hard disk. In simple words, hardware equals physical components of a computer. What is software? Software refers to the programs and instructions that tell hardware what to do. Examples: operating systems, Windows, Linux; applications, browser, games, mobile apps. In simple words, software equals instructions that run on hardware. Key idea: hardware, check physical, performs tasks. Software, collect digital, gives instructions. Hardware versus software. Comparison table. Feature: hardware, software. Nature: physical, digital. Visibility: can be touched, cannot be touched. Role: executes tasks, controls hardware. Examples: CPU, RAM, keyboard. OS, apps. Example of hardware: input value equals 5. Print input value. This code runs on hardware like CPU and memory. Example of software: print hello world. This is a program software executed by hardware. Simple example: hardware plus software. Num equals input enter number. Print num2. Here, keyboard means hardware, input. Python program means software. CPU means hardware processing. Screen means hardware output. How hardware and software work together. Step 1. Input, hardware. Data equals input. Enter value. Step 2. Processing, hardware plus software. Result, int data times 2. Step 3. Output, hardware. Print result. Real-life computer hardware means CPU, RAM. Software means Windows applications. Smartphone hardware means screen, battery, chip. Software means Android apps. Gaming hardware means GPU, controller. Software means game program. Types of software. Type: purpose. System software runs the computer. OS. Application software performs user tasks. Programming software used to create programs. Types of hardware. Type: purpose. Input devices. Enter data. Output devices. Display results. Processing devices. Execute instructions. Storage devices. Store data. Full menu-based example: def input data. Input data. Value equals enter value. Print input received. Def process data. Num is int input. Enter number. Print processed num times 2. Def output data. Print displaying result. While true. Print n1 input. Print 2 process. Print 3 output. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, input data. If choice equals 2, process data. If choice equals 3, output data. If choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Difference between hardware and software. How computers work. Input process output cycle. System versus application software. Real-life analogy. Hardware and software are like C. Body means hardware. C. Mind means software. Both are needed to function properly. Ways to improve understanding. Explore computer parts. Install software. Learn operating systems. Write simple programs. Compare devices. Build a small project. Study system architecture. Use different applications. Common mistakes beginners make. X. Thinking hardware works alone. X. Confusing software with hardware. X. Ignoring OS importance. X. Not understanding interaction. X. Assuming all software is the same. Where it is used. Computers, smartphones, servers, gaming systems, IoT devices, AI systems, cloud platforms, embedded systems. Large systems may include data centers, supercomputers, AI infrastructure, cloud computing platforms. Simple definition. Hardware versus software. Hardware is the physical part of a computer, and software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. Final summary. Hardware and software work together to Kirk. Process data. Kirk. Perform tasks. Kirk. Run applications. Kirk. Enable computing. Understanding both is essential for learning programming, AI, and computer systems.